When researchers collect data from people in a research study, they may use that data for future research by linking it with data outside of this study. This can help them understand how well treatments work over long periods of time. If you decide to join a study, the researchers will collect two types of information from you. One type of information is called personal information. This is information that could identify you, like your name or the date you were born. Another type of information is called study data. This is data collected during the study, like symptoms you tell the researchers about or test results. Your data may be useful for future research. Researchers may link your data to data from outside this study. But your personal information can be used to identify you. So Otsuka has a process to make sure that no one can identify you after your data is linked to other data. This process is called tokenization. Tokenization means the researchers replace your personal information with unique IDs called tokens. Tokens are random numbers and letters that replace any personal information that could identify you. Then your personal information is permanently deleted. This means that no one can use your tokens to figure out who you are. Otsuka and some companies Otsuka works with can access these tokens. But your tokens are never sold or used to market anything to you because they cannot be traced back to you. Your tokens will be stored for up to 20 years. Sometimes Otsuka might destroy them sooner. You do not have to agree to tokenization to participate in the main study. If you have agreed to tokenization and change your mind, let your study doctor know. You can change your mind before database lock. Database lock is when Otsuka stops collecting data for this study. If your request to withdraw reaches Otsuka before database lock, tokens will not be created. Once your tokens are created, they cannot be destroyed because Otsuka will not know which tokens are yours. Deciding whether to participate is a personal choice. Part of that decision means understanding what happens to your data. If you decide to participate, Otsuka may link your study data to other data for future research. Tokenization makes sure that you cannot be identified from this data.